This is a question about linear dependence, remembering that if some constant times vector A plus another constant times vector B equals vector C, then we say that A, B and C are linearly dependent. So what have we got here? We've got MA then becomes 4M in the I plus M in the J plus 3M in the K plus this times N plus 2N in the I minus N in the J plus 3N in the K should equal minus 4I plus 2J plus 6K. So what does that look like? We've got 4M plus 2N in the I plus M minus N in the J plus 3M plus 3N in the K, and that equals the right-hand side, which means this must equal negative 4. 4M minus plus 2N equals negative 4. I've got a common factor of 2 there, so 2M plus N equals negative 2. I'm going to call that equation number 1. Equation number 2 is M minus N equals 2. So when I put these together, it gives me 3M equals 0. Therefore, M equals 0. And if M equals 0, N must equal negative 2. Okay, so that satisfies the first two equations. So 3M plus 3N is the third one, and that's got to equal 6. And M is nothing, so 3 nothings are nothing, plus 3 times negative 2. Negative 6 does not equal 6. So since there are no values of M and N that make A, B and C equal, therefore A, B and C are not linearly dependent. So that's the process. What would that look like on a calculator? Well, on my calculator I've already entered M times the first vector plus N times the second vector, which gives me maybe I didn't put a multiply in between them. Okay, so I'm going to then bring up simultaneous equations, and this is my first equation, and this is my second equation, and my first equation has to equal negative 4, and my second equation has to equal negative 2. If I solve this for M and N, not a coincidence, I've got the same two answers. And if I test that for the third equation, math 3, given M equals 0, given N equals negative 2, I get an answer of negative 6, and that doesn't equal 6. Therefore, they're not linearly dependent. Conversely, I could have made this a 3 by 3 simultaneous equation and actually put in the third equation equaling 6. And when it tried to solve it, you get no solution because there are no values.